What's going on, guys? We're back with another video. So today I'm taking my BMW M3 to a supercar meet. As funny as it sounds, I don't know how I got invited. I don't know how I got accepted. I had to like submit my car. They like asked, what car are you gonna bring? I was like, oh crap. But yeah, so I'm kind of hyped to see what kind of cars are gonna be there. If it's like a approval process type of a meet, you know what I mean? I have to sit through about 40 minutes of traffic to go 14 miles. Some people talking about Cali being bad. That's pretty bad, guys. I don't know.
Bro, we just ran into one of the boys on the highway. That's actually crazy. Hold up.
Guys, look at this traffic, bro. Why? Just why? Can y'all hear that? Bro, I'm so bored. We still got another 17 minutes to go. Another 11 minutes of traffic, bro. I literally like sat through 30 minutes of it. Alright guys, I think if I get closer to the meet and I see something cool, I'll pick it up before we get there. Guys, there's so many cool cars here. Like, just look at that Viper. I forgot to record when I was pulling in, but bro, there's so many cool cars. All right, let's go outside. We made it, guys. Look at that though. Dang, it's so low too. It looks so good. What the hell? Dang, that's nuts. I don't think I've ever seen one close up. It's got Montana plates too. Wow. That wing is dihedral. That's so low.
Yeah, it is.
Like, even compared to my car, bro. What? What?
This will be in a tree within 5 minutes. But
Looks nice. I like it. And that black GT3RS. What? Brother, what? Brother, what? Oh, we got a line. We're coming this way. What is that? Ariel Atom 3? I never even seen that. Oh, I think we did see one. Guys, is this the car that was in the Fast and Furious 5 movie that jumped out of the train? I think it is. It's like that same style. Look how wide it is, bro. Nice little, what, 350Z? What is this? It's like a Tokyo car. Bro, what? Is this a drift car? Oh, it definitely is a drift car. It has a hydro. Wow. Oh, what? What? Damn, bro. Holy crap, y'all see that exhaust? Carbon fiber everywhere too. This 3RS. Which one y'all picking? The matte black or the silver? Personally, I think I'd probably take the silver because I like gloss better. Dang, a lifted Cybertruck? I've never seen that. We got all the Japanese cars here. And then I'm just parked right here. Oh, there's a McLaren pulling. You see that? Yo, big lamb boy. What are you doing? This is his new car?
Oh, yeah, 100%.
You got this one, Mamdu?
Huh?
You got this one?
Yeah, I got this one now.
Sheesh.
Yeah, I just bought it. I'm feeling it.
Look, this got the same wheels as me. They're just silver.
Like finish?
Not like same style. Like 666.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I think it's going to this one. Yeah.
No, this one.
Yeah,
Oh, those wheels are crazy. What? Novitec wheels?
They switched the RH.
Oh, I gotta see this. But it's like signed by a bunch of people. I don't even know who that is. Wow.
They don't let me drive it anywhere.
It's like signed by a bunch of people. You see that? I have no idea.
I don't know anyway.
Yeah, I don't either. Look, Ford Corral, January 2016.
Oh, the Celine like CES.
Really?
Yeah, I think he's pretty strict with it, so.
Let's get far away. Oh crap! Oh my god!
Oh my god.
That scared me for him. Oh, this is a crazy lineup. The blue and the green?
Yeah. This looks a lot like Signal Green.
I think it's damn close, huh? HREs, or what are these? Advents? Probably the green, yeah. You?
Yeah, low-key green.
Yeah. How does the back look? I don't go this way.
That would go so.
Yeah, these wheels are crazy too.
Oh, did you see the new car? That thing looks insane. It looks really fun. Yeah.
Bro, this is made by that place that DDE went to. Creative Bespoke.
Oh, really? Really?
Yeah, look, it has a sticker right here.
You said DDE?
Yeah, they made their 720 GTR.
Oh, my bad. I couldn't.
Creative Bespoke is from Cali.
Damn. It looks really nice. Oh,
Yeah, it's like a molded wide body. It looks nuts.
No bolts.
You can't even see where the work was done.
Wow.
Oh, never mind. You can see that.
Oh, just a little bit.
Huge.
I mean, for being like a whole, aftermarket kit, it's pretty good. Yeah, personally, I'm taking the green, bro. No cut.
This has to be Signal Green. I think Audi just uses it.
I think it's Verde Mantis.
Yeah, I think I.
Right? That's the Lambo color, Verde Mantis.
I didn't even know you could get a green player.
He should have got a blue one.
I'm saying like if he went silver wheels, this would look so much better.
What's the interior on this? Black leather.
Same thing, black leather. Although
He's got a carbon fiber steering wheel.
he has contrast stitching as well.
That looks kind of
No,
hard.
but that's like factory finish. I
Yeah,
don't like how the
Oh wow, yeah.
like the ones from China.
That stripe on the
they're, like,
top
kinda
looks
glossy.
nice. Damn. Bro's got laser jammers. Bro's got laser jammers. You see that?
That was Miami.
That's actually crazy work. What? Carbon wheels too? Yo, it's burning the carbon. Yeah, see that?
Oh, interesting. I didn't know like the tail light was like that. Like how it's. Oh no, that one's.
Well, it's literally gone. This is literally gone.
Yeah.
What is that? Goodyear something.
Oh
They're probably made just for this car.
Yeah.
How does that happen? Tracking,
Like
bro.
bottom out.
He's
It's
probably
like,
tracking the hell
I
out
need
of
to
it.
convince one of these guys to let me ride along.
Yeah.
Right? I know, right?
Oh my God.
Dog. How fast is an RS3? It's pretty fast?
Pretty fast.
I mean, if you do it right.
Once you get it tuned, it's
This one I know is pretty fast.
What is it, like stage 2?
Yeah, stage 2. No, actually, I think it might be stage 3.
Oh shit.
Yeah, all of these are Daytona grade.
That one's too?
It's a good car.
Nah, no way. I guess.
That one's just more like.
It's because the silver.
Yeah, this
throws
is
it
like
off.
best case scenario of my car when it's clean. This looks good on this car. This looks fine on that car. That car I would have done right.
I think it's the wheels that's throwing it off on that car.
Yeah.
It's still pretty nice.
That's 4. Bro, this is the car I was gonna get.
Really?
Yeah.
Instead of an F3?
Yeah.
Why would you get this over an M3?
Well, it's because I wasn't really shopping for M3. I wanted something cheaper. This was only like 41K at the time. Yo. Another RS3. But yeah, I told them I was gonna buy it, and then the porter crashed it.
Really? Porter saved you.
Yeah.
No, these used to be like the M3 back in like.
Bro,
what,
it got
2013?
massage seats.
Wrong ass guy, dude. I was talking about him.
Oh really?
Damn. God, it's blowing shit in my eyes.
Oh shit, you're right.
Yeah, that
My
guy-
glasses are.
Yeah. It's the side exits.
Convertible too. Oh god.
Do convertibles have like
No,
things
the
that
old
pop
ones,
out?
no.
Oh, damn.
Like 2010 plus, yeah.
Is this another lifted one? Are they all lifted now or what? Oh. That one's definitely not, right?
Those wheels are smaller.
Yeah, those look tiny. Damn, bro, I need a supercar. What is this?
Alright, D.
Yeah.
The debate. S55 or B58?
That's 55. Why, you're trying to get one?
No, I'm just asking.
Straight up.
Personally, I'm biased though a little bit, you know? Like I have one.
Yeah, I think so.
I have to be biased.
Crank up or no?
Not yet.
Not yet.
But I know people single turbo stock crank up.
That's the same. No, it's only like 1% of the cars. It's probably a different motor, bro.
It's driver error if you spin your crank up, so I can't blame anyone but myself.
I've seen so many issues on Instagram Reels. So I just
Like
asked.
what?
360 cam?
Oh yeah, I got a 360 cam.
Oh,
But when you try to use it by itself, it's like so zoomed in you can't even use it.
That's not aftermarket though, right?
No. Oh yeah.
Oh, first
Oh, it's slammed too. What? What? Oh, this interior is nice. Oh crap. Who's that?
I come back out to my car, I'm like, back to my...
40K and then rent to 150K miles.
The J Media.
Yeah, I mean, there's like legit...
That's clapped. That's definitely clapped.
Ooh, new Land Cruiser? Sick.
Toyota, bro. Toyota. This looks like perfect condition.
Every piece of yeah, you did.
Yeah.
Bro, literally has no power.
Where's your car?
It's over there. It's down there. Yeah. Bro, those are bald.
Wait, do they used to have tread on them or are they
Yeah, I
slicks?
think so. The inner side has tread.
Holy shit.
There's no way, bro. How did he get here?
That's
That's
crazy.
crazy.
That's actually nuts.
Discount.
Nah, bro. Y'all see that? Look how much empty room is up there. That Corvette looks nice, yeah. But wow. You see that?
Oh, that's
I think so.
crazy.
Wow. Everywhere? Even on the roof. The whole roof? Oh. Nah, that's actually nuts. Even that. Wow. Okay. Carbon hood too. Damn. Bro pulling up in a different car every time. I swear. He's got no tires either. Oh yeah, those are slicks, huh?
Yeah, I can't wrap my head around that.
He has no plates either. Wow.
All-wheel drive or rear-wheel? Rear-wheel drive. Those things want to kill you. You got a Lambo, Chris's Lambo company here. Nice and small, but
Oh, this is the truck I have in like Need for Speed, I think.
Did you already? Bro, y'all see that paint? Look. I gotta like take pictures for being here right now.
That F40 is nasty, bro.
I didn't even see that.
What?
What the hell?
They high quality scan it, but it's still 18.
Too many, bro. Like, what is this? Like, what? Like a race version.
Huh?
Like, I think the new race version of that.
Yeah, it is. I just can't tell if like it's the lawn.
Bro, look at the back. The wings, bro.
Like we connected because he was like, oh, hear me out.
What? I'm like speechless. I gotta see this F40. Wow. That's actually insane. Bro. I'm actually like speechless. Like people in Austin own these cars.
Yeah. Ooh, I didn't even realize that ST.
Wow. This color's crazy. A Bugatti? Bro, look. I saw a Bugatti.
I don't know if this is real, but if it is, it's a $10 million car.
Are you serious?
I think so, yeah. Okay, I don't know about plastic. Yeah, that's a rack. That's Squadra. Yeah, it's 40.
Oh, the Squadra Corsa, yeah. And a Ruby Star back there?
Yeah.
STO. Damn. This is it.
That's similar to Jayhawk. It's like papaya and then like that blue. But it's here's the intro. No. That's right. Like
Oh my god, it is an 812 competition.
So is that
That green SF90 is crazy.
not diamond sticks, but like a chain?
I'm taking that. I'm taking that. I'm taking that. And the red F40.
Right there.
Bro, that SF90 is crazy. No cap.
That's a bad
Do you know the car that's right behind this 458?
What is that? I can't see it. I'm too short. California? What is that?
No, that's not a definitely not 512.
It's definitely some Ferrari.
I think it's a 512.
Wow. Just wow.
Did you see?
And the saline, bro.
Everyone was like driving this. I saw it. Me, out of any other dude.
I thought he was gonna be here, low key. I thought he was gonna be here.
Yeah, I thought Shmi was gonna be here as well.
They keep posting like a lot of like. Well, no, I saw the Escort.
Where?
Right there, the white Escort.
What is that?
You know what Escort?
The RS200.
I don't even know that was called an Escort.
Well, how much are they like? They could be $500,000, right?
Yeah, I think
They're like that Ford rally car, right?
Rally beat it.
Forza OG.
Yeah.
If you played Forza, you know.
You know Andrew Tate just bought one?
Huh?
812 comp. Andrew Tate just bought one.
Yeah, I saw. Probably has 2 or 3.
It's like 1.1, 1.2.
Oh yeah, I was like almost spot on.
Last sale 400. Damn.
It's like the blue, pink, purple, white. That Huracan is low, guys. Damn, full carbon rear bumper. Full carbon everything.
Hey, look at my
Guys, we need that, bro. Oh my god. Guys, look at this. It's a slammed cop car. It's literally on the floor. It's on the floor, bro.
What's this car that he got with the GT500 motor in there? I forgot.
The American Rocket or something? I don't know.
No, that's the cop car.
Oh.
It's the little pace car that they have. I forgot.
Bro made it in. This is new.
Looks this crazy with nothing nuts in the setup.
Do you have like air suspension or no? Magnetic ride? Are you gonna lower it?
Huh?
Are you gonna lower it? Why not? Can you drop it right now? Like,
No, it's like this.
it's just like steady like this?
Yeah, I don't know. I kind of want to keep it OEM plus. I don't really want to do much with that.
Are you gonna get these done?
Plus, I don't know how Magnet Ride works.
What do you think about this carbon?
I think he should keep that look here.
The contract is nice,
Yeah.
actually.
I feel like everyone has it.
It's true.
Probably a V12?
If you had a V12, you would have bad everywhere.
Yeah, facts. You like it?
Oh yeah.
How long have you had it now? How long have you had it now?
3 weeks, 3-4 weeks.
What's the fastest you went?
Oh, I got warranty.
Oh, type? How many years?
3 years, 50,000 additional miles.
So till like what? 60K miles your warranty is?
Yeah, 70.
Yeah, 70. Hell yeah. That's low-key fire.
Yeah.
And you have to do anything, huh? If anything happens?
Yeah, it's like, it's exclusionary, so any like little thing.
What do you mean little?
Like, my illuminated door sill went out,
Uh-huh.
so they're doing that for free.
Okay.
So like, you can see on the other side, it's gonna be illuminated.
That's why.
Like, you see how it's illuminated?
Yeah. Yo, what? Nah, that's actually insane.
It's nothing like that.
McLaren got doors that go up, bro. That's what you need.
Hey yo, Dev, do that shit again.
What's up, funny guy? How you doing? Yeah. That's fire.
This your new whip?
Profile picture.
Profile picture. This your new whip?
I got the new full rear carbon bumper.
I see that. That shit looks
Full
sick.
Voice-Steiner kit.
I want to get the Vorsteiner too.
Corbin! Full bolt-ons.
I didn't recognize you.
3, 2, 1.
I'll take that one. You take this one.
Okay, I'll go open the garage right now. I'm taking this one right here.
Sheesh. The Saline?
That one's new.
It's literally a Batman car.
These are GT5. These are Ford GTs. All of them are.
Yeah, but look at the headlights.
I know because those are track. These are the track ones.
That's wild.
We got Enzo and
This is absurd, bro.
Enzo and Combo right here.
Absurd. Excuse me, bro. Just one second. I'm just. Yeah, you're good.
Yeah.
You want to take a picture in the middle?
No, bro. You're tripping. Yeah, bro. This is my dream. I need a 2RS next to my car.
Pero no sé con todos los problemas que tienen y todo eso.
What? What? Like, what? What?
The video 0.5. You know how to do that shit good?
No.
Watch, ready?
Let me see. Give me the little tutorial. Jeez.
Yeah, 2RSs are fire.
What's the Batmobile theme song? Damn. The interior looks crazy. F1 edition. This is like the safety car, right?
Tires in the front, though.
255.
Man, that's smaller than ours.
Cars you had it now what we're up to.
We got 265s.
75s.
Oh, you do? Jeez. The Ford GT lineup is crazy,
You can
though.
stand on that. Easy, you can stand on that. This thing right here is fire.
Which one are you picking? This one, or that one?
This one's moving.
Yeah.
Or that one over there is moving too.
I'm probably taking that one, yeah.
R5.
Right? It's like an Iron Man.
Good person to know.
Low-key would probably gap both of us, too.
Probably. Now those tires, yo. Actually, those are our triple X. I don't know.
You got a Boost Logic sticker on it. Damn. This is straight gangster. The doors going up?
With the i8?
No, not the i8, just the doors going
Just the
up.
doors.
Yeah. That's a funny plate. Look. Oreo? Why? I don't know. Oh, his IG's Oreo. Would you drive this or what? Alright guys, we're just chilling at the meet still. Woo. Oh crap. Damn, check this out. The go-kart. Wow. Bro, it's so loud. I feel it in my chest. Oh, he's making a U-turn. It's about to end.
Oh my god, it's Brooklyn!
Bryce, what you shooting? What you shooting?
Man, come over here. Come look at the engine. Look at this piece of work.
Damn.
He just swapped the BMW.
We should, right? Put in the M3?
Nah, bro. I would never put a carburetor in a BMW. You kidding me?
Look at it though.
It looks pretty. I ain't gonna lie. Jeez.
Oh, the Trans Am guy's coming up. Real cowboy.
yeah,
Real cowboy.
Hell yeah.
Is that Whistling Diesel?
Oh yeah, bro. I need a photo of that.
That literally looks like Whistling Diesel
Bro,
looking.
dead ass. And he just got it.
Yeah.
Look at the tail light.
Damn.
I need a photo with that guy, bro. That shit. I need him whipping a donut somewhere.
Damn.
Bro,
Oh my god.
try their ketchup. That shit is banging, bro.
Bro,
Try
it's
their
just,
fries and ketchup.
it's just damn tomatoes.
No, man, it's... Listen.
Did you just tell me to try some damn ketchup?
Yeah,
Acting as if it's gonna be any different than some Heinz ketchup.
It is. That's what I'm trying to tell you. It is.
Okay, there's ants and shit. Be careful. Look. Bro, it tastes like marinara sauce. That's what it is. Damn, that was double Supras. You see that? You saw the double Supras? They cross paths.
Yeah.
Damn. Type. Bruh. That was nice.
That was nice.
That was worth it. That was worth it. Damn, that's it. It's molded wide body. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Bro's actually crazy. Alright, I gotta go get my battery pack. Hold on. Damn, guys, look, RS6, a blue one that we saw earlier. Wow. And the green one. Which one y'all picking, bro? I think I'm personally picking the green one. He has green lights on inside too. Bruh. Are you kidding me?
That was it. That was so lame.
Typical Audi behavior.
Yeah, typical Audi behavior.
Jeez.
Earlier, there was some like dude and some old lady were like complaining. They're like, if they keep doing that, we're gonna complain and ban them. People live around it.
Oh, holy! That one sounded nice. Jeez.
That one was fast.
Yeah. It'll gap you, low key.
That'll got me, yeah.
Yeah. It won't gap me though, cause you know you Molo red.
Bro, I'll gap you.
Yeah. No. I don't know about that one, Chief. I don't know. Bro, it looks so good, matte black. It looks like Batmobile. That rain light. Stock, bro. Go get rid of your resonator or something. Damn, guys, it's so loud. Nah, hell no, bro. You tripping, bro. You tripping. You're... Damn, guys, it's so fucking loud. Oh! I need underglow, right? Yeah.
Nah, he about to rain the shit out of me.
Bro, I'm freaking deaf, bro. I'm freaking deaf.
Got this shit on all 4K.
Oh, bro. Wow, bro. That's a spaceship. I swear. That's a literal spaceship. Oh crap, we got someone coming back. Jeez. Bruh, what? I did not know it was glow in the dark. Actually crazy, bro. Even the interior. That's actually crazy hard, bro. I never seen something like that. What the hell? Is that your brother?
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's doing crazy, though.
Watch him now that you said that?
He ain't gonna. He might do like a little flip.
Oh yeah, nothing. See you later, bro. Damn, those turbos sound crazy.
Wow, valve sounds good.
Bro got no taillights. I swear I would straight up hit that car at a like a stoplight or something.
Yeah.
Damn! His girlfriend did not like that. Oh. His girlfriend was like, what the hell? Bro's trying to get his license plate. Bruh, I was literally about to leave.
Yeah.
Because you took too long.
I got an oil light, bro.
Oil light.
I had a little bit of oil, but I gotta stop at the parts store.
I'm going home.
Are you?
Yeah.
You done for the night?
Yeah.
All right.
All right, bro. Peace. Drive safe.
Bro. Take it easy.
What is that, Z06? That's pretty nice. It is a Z06. Wow. Yo, so that's it, guys, for today's shenanigans. I hope you enjoyed that video. Bro, there were so many cool cars in that warehouse. I hope y'all saw everything, bro. I saw like millions and millions and millions of dollars, bro. There's probably close to $1 billion in that warehouse, bro. It was actually insane. But yeah, make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace out, guys.
Turn the Chanel store to a hang. Massage me, turn my energy in. We do this without a Chanel massage. She ready to get you know I'm in. I'm known to fit the mirror massage. I'm cutting shit up like shit. My heart up the solo, I'm ready massage. The king of the girl, you know I'm in.